Hey guys, today we are going to show you how we preparate the room for our cellar. And the first step what we checked out it was the size of the cellar and the possibility to rebuild the cellar. Directly at the beginning we checked out that the height of the cellar is not enough because 1.80 m is all in all not enough. There is no fundament, there is no sand and as well not the stones. So we know that we have to change and we have to go deeper into the ground. Finally we managed around 20 centimeters to go deeper. We took the old stones which was from the old cellar floor away and the ground. Under it was really hard rocks and we couldn't go through this. So we kept just this 20 centimeters and gone on. Furthermore, we found an old canalization system or the connection for this for the groundwater. So we were thinking that maybe we can use it, and we tried out and the water was still going away. So this was a very big help for our planning to rebuild the cellar. As a next step we took the plaster down from the walls, and like that we could see in which conditions are still the old walls and if we can use them or if we have to rebuild maybe new ones. In the last video we are showing you how we preparate the drainage for the cellar and how we used the connection from the old water canalization. For this we took our drainage film and placed it on the wall where is the water canalization entrance, and covered another time the canalization entrance against the sand or ground for the future. Next video we are going to show you how we build the floor and the wall in our cellar. So stay tuned and follow us.